In the immortal words of Socrates, the unexamined life is not worth living. And this semester, with every sprint, every discussion, every piece of feedback, I learned to examine not just my work but myself. I'm Ang Wee Chung, and this is my reflective journey. What began as a technical journey became a personal one. Through each sprint, I learned not only new frameworks, but new ways of thinking about myself, my team, and my work. In Sprint 1, I realized creativity was not about artistic talent. Amabile explains that creativity rises from expertise, motivation, and creative thinking skills. Runko and Chan describe creativity as the ability to redefine problems. When I experimented with Python simulations and the 3D poolfire model, I saw that creativity appears when precision and imagination works together. In engineering, creativity is the ability to visualize outcomes before they exist. Whether it is simulating heat transfer or modeling fire behavior, these activities help me to see creativity as structured, problem framing rather than spontaneous inspiration. Sprint 2 deepened my understanding of creativity. Design thinking emphasizes empathy as the foundation for innovation. When I listened to how my engineers experience stress, unclear expectations, and bottlenecks, I realized that creative solutions must begin with understanding people, not processes. Explaining workflows on the whiteboard taught me that creativity is also communication. Sharing knowledge, clarifying expectations, and teaching the why behind our work helped me shift from being a maker to someone who empowers others. This was the beginning of my multiplier journey. Sprint 3 helped me turn ideas into systems. The core hierarchy, structured planning, and workflow design transformed scattered information into clarity. Ping Time taught me to pause and reflect. Tools like Otter AI did more than summarize meetings. They created shared understanding, reduced confusion, and eliminated unnecessary repetition. This was creativity applied to team effectiveness. Using ChatGPT to restructure my team showed me a new form of creativity. It helped me plan workloads, clarify responsibilities, and support my multidisciplinary partners. Instead of reacting to problems, I began shaping systems that prevented them. Creativity became an organizational design. Sprint 4 taught me to recognize my strengths in resilience, learning agility, and leadership. The 4C model helped me to understand how my creativity had evolved from mini-C personal insights into pro-C professional capability. I learned to value my team's strengths as complementary resources. Leadership became a collaborative relationship rather than an individual performance. In Sprint 5, effectuation connected everything. Bird in Hand explained how I began with the resources I had. Affordable Loss reflected how I tested ideas quickly, and the Crazy Quilt perfectly described my multidisciplinary team. Architects, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and high-tension specialists work together like interwoven threads. This partnership is the real creativity behind our mega projects. The methanol project footage captures this scale of creativity. Watching massive equipment being lifted by cranes and modules arriving by ships reminded me that creativity becomes orchestration in complex environments. It becomes the ability to align people, engineering, safety, and timing into one functioning system. This is creativity at the level of leadership. The fire deluge test grounded theory in reality. My earlier simulations suddenly became physical. Water pressure, emergency response, and safety systems all depended on decisions made months earlier. I understood creativity as responsibility. Every idea has real-world consequences. Sprint 6 helped me to integrate feedback into my identity. Ping Time strengthened my reflective discipline. Peer and team feedback taught me patience and communication. The lecturer's feedback pushed me to connect theory to lived experience. The DIEP method helped me to describe, interpret, evaluate, and plan with purpose. And then, there is my reason for everything. When Ava runs to my desk and my wife joins us, I'm reminded why I built systems, automate workflows, and pursue efficiency. I do it to buy back time. I do it to be a better husband, a better son, and a better father. This semester changed how I create, how I lead, and how I live. This is my evolution from maker to multiplier.